Thank you so much for having me today. My name is Dr. Robert Larvi-Odam. We are from Odam Medical Group, Community Healthcare Clinics of Minnesota vaccination team. And we are here at this event, and we're here to, first of all, give vaccines and also educate the public about the COVID-19 disease. So far, about 50% of the population of this country have been vaccinated. COVID-19, as you know, is a very severe disease that actually can cause death. As of now, there's been good success with the vaccine, and we encourage everyone, if you can, to get vaccinated. And events like this that are organized by community members are good opportunities to get your vaccine. At the present time, the virus has gone through some changes, which they call a mutation. There have been several different mutations. As of now, we have one called the Delta variant, which actually causes more severe disease than it was with the first one. And particularly children are also affected a lot by this particular variant. So it's very important that, number one, you maintain good hygiene, continue to social distance, wear a mask if you are in a crowded place, and if it's possible, we strongly encourage you to get a vaccine, because the vaccine has been shown to prevent death and also reduce significantly how severe the disease is. We strongly encourage everyone who is listening to us now to get the vaccine, which has been shown to be very effective. Thank you very much for listening. Thank you for your support. Talk to your family members and be safe. Thank you.